As this is an international language testing system which is powered by IDP, assess the level of candidate. And my name is Anisha and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number is 607. Okay. Are you ready for speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
Myself Sakshi Mehra. You can call me Sakshi. I am from small town of Punjab, that is Ludhiana.
Okay. Are you working or student?
I recently cleared my 12th standard. Apparently, I am doing study related to IELTS only.
Okay. And have you ever been in very cold weather?
Yes, I recently visited Kasauli, which was quite cold, and atmospheric condition here were below 0 degrees.
Okay. How often is the weather cold where you come from?
During earlier times, the weather here remained cold during 6 months, but since global warming has increased, so here 3 months are considered as warm weather.
Okay. Are some parts of your country colder than others and why?
Yes, some parts of India are colder because they lies in high altitude, such as Jammu and Kashmir, whereas the countries which states which lies in lower altitude, such as near equator like Maharashtra, they are very hot.
Okay. I ask some questions related to your age. Okay. Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Yes, from childhood, it's a dream of everyone to be in teenage. Since I am 18 now, so I feel very good about this.
Okay. When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future?
Yes, still do I think a lot about my future because I think planning before makes one follow the path. Also, if we think everything prior, it also provides us the strength that we need.
Okay. Do people change as they grow older?
Yes, some people often change with their age because their thinking perspective change. Also, the way they walk or even they think also changes with time.
Do you think you have changed as you have got older?
Not really, but still there are several changes that have been taking place in me. Like as earlier I used to care about my new ones a lot, but now I manage my own work and prefer to be in myself.
What will be different about your life in the future?
I think so. I would focus more on my career option rather than focusing on unwanted people in my life. Moreover, I want to be more independent than I am now.
Is childhood the happiest time in a person's life?
Yes, I think so. That during early ages, children are full of life as they don't have to worry about anything. Moreover, at that tender age, they can do what they desire. Also, they are under the control of their parents, so they don't have to worry about anything else.
Okay. What kind of celebrations are common in your country?
India is considered as the country of festival. A plethora of festivals are being celebrated here, including Lohri, which is majorly celebrated in Punjab, as well as the Ganpati Visarjan, which is celebrated all around India.
Okay. Is patriotism a kind of celebration?
Sorry?
Is patriotism is kind of celebration?
No, I don't think so because this festival is not yet known here since it is related to Christian culture. But still, the people here who belong to Christian community celebrates this.
Okay. Why do people care so much about national sports team?
People consider national sports team as their dignity, so they have quite high expectations from them as they think that the players represent the countries and the persons of the same.
Do all people in your country take part in the same celebrations?
Yes, here in India, unity is considered prior to everything, so people often came together either in the festival of Eid or in the festival of Christmas. They gather and enjoy that a lot.
Okay, how has the ways people celebrated changed?
During earlier times, people often prefer to celebrate on huge amount, but nowadays, since socializing is decreasing because of the pandemic, so people prefer to celebrate an occasion or a festival within themselves or with their near ones.
Okay, do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports, but not that much because I was a basketball player during my school times, but it's been a long that I have left playing.
What are the most popular sports in your country?
I think so. Cricket is considered as the most important sports, although hockey is our national game, but still people here are very keen about cricket.
Okay, if you ever tried any dangerous sports in the future?
Yes, I would love to try it because I'm the person who prefers thrill in our life. I would love to go for skydiving or even paragliding.
Okay, and your cue card is describe a situation or time when you have helped someone. Okay. You have to prepare a topic 1 minute. After 1 minute, you will be start, and your time is starts now.
Thank you.
Yes, start.
So there are plethora of times where I provide helping hands to people. Here I would like to talk about an old age that I help. During my schooling days, we had a trip to old age home that is located in Model Town. From our school, 5 students were appointed to go there and provide them helping hand as well as to know how the life is difficult for them. During that time, I saw that plethora of old men and women were lying on the bed and there was no one to help them. Moreover, the medical care there was not appropriate as they were busy in doing their own stuff and not paying attention to the needs of the old people. There I met Raman uncle. He was actually age of my grandfather. When I was quite young, my grandfather died at that time, so I don't know how the love of grandfather is. So he showed me all his love. I was melted in tears after meeting him as he told me that his children kicked him out of his own house, so he was financially very weak too. Moreover, all of his business were overtaken by his son. So I talked to my parents about this, and we decided to help him financially as well as provide him proper medical aid that he requires. He was suffering from cancer, so we tried to fulfill all the requirements of him as we consulted the best doctor here, which was in Chandigarh PGI. We took him there for a surgery. After surgery, he was quite fine and was able to live for several years. Still too, I am in contact with him, so we used to take him for walk or for whenever we go around on long drives. We used to take him because It gives him privilege that to go around. Moreover, he thinks so that I am her grandchild and loves me like that. So
Okay.
this,
I asked some follow-up questions related to your topic. Should developed countries help developing countries?
yes, I think so that the developed countries should help the processing countries, because it is their time to show some love to them, and even to help them in facilities that they already have.
What kind of help is the best to provide?
According to me, medical aid is something that is needed by everyone. So if one is enough wealthy to provide that, that would be great.
Can help be harmful in some cases?
No, I don't think so. Help could be harmful in any case, because help is always done to provide ease for someone in someone's life.
Okay. Do you think people are less willing to help others these days as compared to the past?
No, I don't think so, that because these days people are doing more of the social work and donating more of the amount to NGOs rather than earlier time.
Okay. Do people trust others as much as they used to in the past?
Yes, I think so that the trust level has gotten depleted as fraud cases are being increased day by day, and moreover people don't believe that trust ever existed.
Okay. Should children be taught to help others?
Yes, at such a tender age, everyone should be taught to help others, because as they grow younger, they would develop the habit of that. Moreover, helping others provides positive vibes to the one.
Okay, thank you, Sakshi.